Today we're going to explore the St. Tropez floor plan, which is one of the most often built homes here in Ocean Hills Country Club. And there's 332 of those. And this is attached, single story, and a very popular floor plan. So let's go take a deeper dive. So we enter into the great room. This is living room, dining room combo. And this one has been modified. These homes are very customizable. This one has been modified. Here where you see this kitchen island, this was a solid wall with just a pass through into the kitchen. So this was a solid wall all the way over here. So this wall can be removed to open the kitchen up to the great room to make it even greater. So people like this floor plan because of the space that it allows you here. Some of these floor plans have fireplaces in this area over here. Some do not. But the real defining aspect of the St. Tropez is this indoor atrium. So this is an attached home. This whole wall is shared with the neighbor. There's no windows in it. So this atrium does a fantastic job of bringing natural light into this whole space. That being said, the atrium can be enclosed with a permit and you can convert it into indoor living space. Some people use it as an office, some people use it as a library, some people have even converted it into a huge dining room attached to the kitchen. So as we come down the hallway, you have a dedicated den. It's not very sizable. It'll make a great home office. This can also be enclosed if you so wish to have a more private office. The natural light is coming in from the atrium into the den. And then back here we get into more of the private part of the home. This is the master bedroom and the guest bedroom. The guest bedroom is surprisingly large for a guest bedroom. And the master bedroom is very large. You can very easily fit a California king bed in between these windows and still have plenty of room for side tables and dressers and whatever else you need in the room. And then here is the master bathroom and a walk-in closet as well. So you have double sinks. This one has a low threshold shower. Some have a bathtub shower combination. Here in the hallway, you have a linen closet. You have the laundry room and the garage door. And then here is your second bathroom. This would also be your public bathroom when you have guests in the house. And this bathroom has a skylight to bring in natural light as well. So that is the St. Tropez. Again, 332 of those built here in Ocean Hills Country Club. Very, very popular floor plan. If we can help you with anything, just let us know. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you.